viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is how I created a static website using CSS and HTML. So let's get back to the code to dive everything one after the other. So these are the inputs. Okay. So we have our HTML file and the CSS file. So we divide the HTML file from the CSS file to make our our codes looks order. All right, so we have the nav bar. So the nav bar contains the about, the service, the design, contents, and also you have the full header, which is being identified by the class. So the class will help us in designing, I mean, one or two styles. So this is the file for the CSS file. Okay, so the CSS is normally the stylish or the websites, and also the layout. It contains the rate, the height, the display, and the likes. Okay, so let's dive into the output. So these are the outputs, and these are some of the challenges that I faced when I was creating the website. So these are the challenges. Like I was a bit struggling with this side, and lo and behold, I was able to find my way out. Yeah. Alright, so I'll give you some tips that will help you in HTML and CSS files. So here are some tips to consider when creating a website with HTML and CSS. So number one, use semantic elements. Use elements like header, nav, main, and footer to give structure to your content. Keep it number two, keep it simple. Avoid unnecessary complexity and keep your HTML concise. So you have the third one. Use meaningful class names. Choose class names that describe the content or purpose of an element. So you have the fourth one to be validate your HTML. Use tools like the W validator to catch errors and ensure your HTML is valid. So these are some of the tips that will help you with the HTML. So we have the CSS. So some of the tips that will help you with the CSS. All right, so let's dive in. Organize your CSS. Use a consistent naming convention to organize your CSS into selections or files. So you have use a preprocessor. Consider using SAS or less to write more efficient and modular CSS. So the third one for the CSS is use flexibles or grid. Use modern layouts method like flexibles or grids to create responsive design. So we have the fourth one, keep it dry. Avoid duplicating styles by using classes and inheritance. So we have here the general tips. Okay, so the general tips to consider with your static or your CSS or HTML website. So you have plan before coding. Sketch a rough design and plan your content before starting to code. So before you code everything, you need to plan. Okay, you need to have algorithm. So the algorithm are the steps by steps approach that will help you to, organize everything. So you have a keep it responsive. Ensure your website work on different screen sizes and devices. Okay, so don't just limit your website to your laptop. I mean, make it work on phones, tablets, and other stuff by making it responsive. The third one is optimize image. Compress images to reduce file size and improve page. So these are some of the tips that will guide you in order to for you to create a responsive and efficient website. So thanks for following me from the beginning to up to this stage. I'll urge you guys to like and comment and subscribe so I can all move this channel to a different level. I appreciate you guys your time and your attention. All right.